Hey guys, Vicky here. Welcome to my channel. How you all doing? I'm doing great. Hope you're doing fine and God has been faithful. Yeah, so today I'm gonna make this marinade. I'm gonna use it for my chicken, so I just want to show you guys how to make this marinade for your chicken, your fish, your meat, whatever. It's very simple to make. So basically I'm using all these ingredients: my lemon, my onion, red and yellow peppers, and my scotch bonnet peppers. So those are not the only ingredients I'll be using. There are other ingredients that are gonna come after I make the marinade paste. So I'm just gonna put all of these ingredients into my blender just before I proceed with the other ingredients. So basically I'm just chopping the ingredients, chopping all my peppers just to fit the size of my blender. Yeah, so at this point I'm going to blend it into a paste, because a marinade is sort of like a paste and it needs to soak into whatever you're using it for, your chicken, your fish, whatever. So for today's recipe I'm using this chicken, and this is just straight from the farmers. It's very fresh, and I really love chicken, so I'll be using chicken today. So at this point I'm basically going to add the quantity of marinade paste that I want. I'm just adding 2 to 4 spoons, whatever quantity you want to add for your marinade, but it shouldn't be too watery. I'm adding my thyme at this point. That's my paprika. I'm also adding some curry powder and some turmeric powder, and then salt to taste. So for some touch of sweetness I'm adding some honey, and then some dark soy sauce, of course, to give it that nice flavor, and chicken cubes. So those are basically the spices or the seasoning that I'm using for the marinade. You can use whatever. Some people also add garlic and ginger, but I had to skip all of those because I don't want my chicken too spicy. So when you're done adding the marinade, try to rub it all over your chicken, your fish, or whatever, and show that it's properly saturated all over, so that you can bag it. So I'm just bagging it into my plastic bag. I'm just putting everything into my plastic bag and the remaining paste, and then I'm adding some more slices of lemon and slice of green pepper, so that so that everything just has this nice lemon thingy kind of flavor. I don't know how to describe it, but there's this flavor that comes with the lemon and I like it. This is actually sweet lemon I'm using, so it's not gonna make my chicken bitter. So I had to leave this for 4 hours, and boom. Guys, I fried my chicken. At this point I didn't want to waste much time, so I had to just cut this video short. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Until my next one, take care. Bye y'all.